So now I'm currently on my way to Bromley. As you may not know, it's the last day of the 208 with Go Ahead London, as it transfers over to Catford Garage for the 208 tomorrow, well tonight at 12 AM basically. So I'll be catching SN11 BMY for the last time, as it will be withdrawn after service. So if you are around like the Orpington or Bromley area and you want to catch it, now's the chance. So without further ado, I'll see you when I'm on the 126. I think this machine's broken. Has to be this one. Are you serious? Like, what's happening with these machines, man? They need to maintain the machines more. Might just have to top it up in Bromley. Yeah, I'm topping up in Bromley. There's my buses here. Yeah, because the machines in Bromley are, in my local are faulty or oh, there's two actually. Might just get the one after, because this one's going to be rammed. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm getting this one. I have to get this one then, because the driver's just telling us to go in this. Yeah. Might as well just go in this one.
Thank you.
Cheers. See you when I'm on the 208. Cheers, driver. So now you join me in Queen's Gardens, aka Bromley Civic Centre, and SN11 BMY is currently in Catford, but you can't track it or anything as it's on fullback apparently. So I think they've taken out the tracker on that bus as it's getting withdrawn after today. So yeah, as it's near Catford, I shall see you when it arrives. So as I'm waiting for the bus, here are a few buses. LY75 HCP on the 261. That is LJ25XLU on the 314 to Eltham Station. And Y60 FTZ on the 162 to Beckenham. And last but not least, there was LB75 WYJ on the 269 to Bexley Heath on diversion via South Boer Lane and Bromley Common.
This bus is given Tower Transit.
Yeah, it's a bit.
Because this bus was at Tower Transit for a few years.
Was it?
Yeah, it was. On routes 26, 30, 25, 308. I remember this when it used to do those routes.
Yeah.
On the 308 especially.
Yeah, I remember the 308 with these.
I believe this bus was new to go ahead like back in 2019.
Was it?
Yeah, I think so. It was Stockwell Garage, the first garage.
Oh, Stockwell.
Yeah, it ran the 44 for a bit. And then I believe it went to I don't know if it went to Merton or I don't think so. I think this bus ran in Croydon Garage once, I'm not even sure. I think it did.
I think so. But that was that.
Because it has 119 plans in it.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing
Yeah, it probably did.
Unless if they keep this bus in the garage made for rail placement. Instead of withdrawing it, they could keep it.
Yeah, for like, you know, the Ensign bus or something for their.
Oh yeah, Ensign.
Yeah, they might give it to them.
Yeah. I have no clue what they're gonna do. It's the only one in the garage, so I don't know.
Yeah.
This bus won on the 320 yesterday.
Yeah, I know.
And I rode on it.
Was it driver friendly?
There were 2 TikTok drivers, yeah, there were 2.
Oh, 2?
Yeah.
But I don't think this one has like, this bus has the under attack alarm in it. Like, this bus is under attack.
No, it don't.
Oh, it don't?
It got the regular one.
Oh, the regular ones.
Like this, it got the regular ones.
Oh yeah, they're like, the normal.
They got the not the ADL ones.
Oh, not the ADL ones.
Normal. Is that what you get on a, let's just say maybe a WVN? I'm not sure.
Oh, yeah, WVNs they have. Yeah, that's it.
It has it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's all the same with these
X first. Yeah.
They have them on the E200s as well.
Yeah. But I think you have to isolate the bus if you press the alarm, don't you?
Yeah, but it's easy to turn them off on this buses.
Is it?
Easy. I think you just have to press it and then keep your hand on it and it will stop after like a few seconds.
Oh. Yeah, because I know a 126 driver done it. I think last year.
Oh, he done it?
Yeah.
He got it stuck?
No.
Was it easy?
You turned it off after like 2 seconds.
Wow. The blind set kind of looked different on that bus. It looks brighter.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a new thing for TS.
I think so. Some regulations.
These two are the worst buses.
Yeah, them two. The BYDs and
The tram.
Ivazar IE tram. Yeah.
I prefer the Sataros.
Yeah. Yeah, they're much
The
better.
Sataros stand on than these buses. It looks weird. Look, IP11.
And they actually struggle to charge as well. Like some of them are curtailed to like Elmer's End Green because of charging.
They can tell everywhere. The iBus did not work. Not upstairs either.
Yeah, I think he turned it off. The driver. I think the driver turned it off. Or they put the tracking. They took the tracking down, innit? Because the bus is getting withdrawn after today.
Oh yeah.
So I don't think it's worth No, putting the tracker on.
I don't think they put the iBus.
No, I think it's off now.
I
Fortunately.
have no idea what they're gonna do. If they're gonna use it as a spare, like maybe if they use it on a 320 or R9 or 353.
Yeah.
Because this bus normally strays sometimes on the 353.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
And the R9, but the R9 mostly
Imagine
runs
this in the
single deck.
R2. Imagine.
They can't run it on the R2.
Yeah, they can't.
I think there's a lot of bridges in it.
Yeah, Biggin Hill Valley because of
Yeah.
the tight turn.
Yeah, they can't.
Yeah, they can't. That's an empty bus. I thought the 208 would be busy.
Oh, really? It's empty bus.
Yeah, it's just us.
Still.
Yeah.
There's no air conditioning.
Well, there isn't.
Yeah.
You can sit behind.
The seat is all dirty.
Yeah. I know, it's showing its age, isn't it? Like, dusty, it's...
Oh, yeah.
That's like 15 years of dust.
15 years?
Yeah, 15
I think
years.
this bus is, 15, yeah, this bus is 15 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what Go Ahead is going to do with this bus? They'll probably like keep it in the garage for like a few weeks until they think what they're going to do with it.
Yeah.
Because you know this bus has chances. They could either go Plymouth, go northeast.
Yeah, they can. Yeah.
They can go to other Go Ahead companies.
Outside of London.
Yeah, they can. Because there's some of these that actually are there.
They
some
are,
Of these,
yeah.
Some of these. Same goes with the WVNs too. So I really hope this bus.
There's a few LX57s would go northeast. Yeah. But
And some LX57s are there too.
Yeah. Yeah, like Newcastle, Leeds,
Yeah.
that area. Well, not anymore actually.
Imagine if Chase gets to preserve this bus.
Imagine. I think they will, you know.
Then maybe they could do something with these seats.
Yeah.
So they could give them a good clean, you know.
Yeah.
This bus is not. Because Chase is still looking for these buses.
Is it?
They still want more.
That's crazy.
They've got like, I think they got roughly like 8 in the fleet and they still want more.
8?
Yeah, they still want more in the fleet. They got 2, like they got what was it? They got 3 ex-River Londons, 1 LJ13 plate from Croydon,
Yeah.
T287, then 2 LJ61 plates that they were used to. That the last garage they seen was Grace.
Oh wow.
It was ex W3
Was it?
LJ61 plates, yeah.
Yeah. I like the LJ61s. They're brilliant buses.
On the W3, yes.
And
on the what else? 144.
Yes, 144.
144 was very.
Yeah.
But it could, yeah. You should preserve this bus. It's a nice bus.
It is. I don't think they will scrap it. I don't think so. Because it's only 15 years old. Like,
Well, I don't think they'll scrap it.
no. But yeah, that's the end of
They
the
can't scrap
video.
this, bro. Go ahead.
So please leave a like,
Go ahead.
comment, and also
Go ahead.
subscribe.
Still got those SN.